If you came here today to see if I was gonna do the Halloween Decorate With Me or the Dollar General haul, you can clearly see by the thumbnail that I am in fact gonna post the Dollar General haul first. So the media room Decorate With Me is gonna be Thursday. Stay tuned for that. I think we're also gonna do my entryway and potentially my office all in one. So, and then I'm gonna do my living room, my dining room, my kitchen on Saturday. And then that will be like the whole house done in Halloween. So as you can see, I have a lot of fall going on, but Halloween is very much different for me. So stay tuned for those decorating videos. But yeah, I'm gonna do the Dollar General haul, plus I popped in Top Shelf, which is like the same thing because they're owned by Dollar General. So I'll show you guys what I got there and what I got from Dollar General. Let's start off with Dollar General first. And I spent, let's see, I spent $47.35 before tax. And I really wanted to focus a lot of trying to find like dollar products because Dollar General does have dollar deals. And also they have a brand at Dollar General that you find at Dollar Tree, except the weird part is, and that brand is Personal Care, by the way. The weird thing is that the stuff that you find at Dollar General by Personal Care is very different from what you find at Dollar Tree. So it's very interesting to me. So let me just show you guys all the things that I got. First of all, let me show you these things. I thought, I'm all over the place today. I'm starving. So I almost like can't think straight. But look at what I found. And can someone explain like what this is all about? Why is it called Treasure Hunt? And it's Blu-ray discs. This one says $2.99, but I actually ended up getting it for $2.95. But because I didn't have a scan, so the lady just let me scan another one of these. Toy Story 4 in this packaging. Now, of course, I'm gonna keep the packaging as well for junk journaling, but these Blu-ray movies for $2.95. And why is it like, what's this treasure hunt thing? I'm trying to understand what that is. Then I found Aladdin. And I found Cruella, Disney Cruella. So these are not knockoff movies. These are like the real movies. Look, After Earth with Will Smith and his son, Jaden Smith. And then Doctor Strange. And they had more movies to choose from. They had another Doctor Strange version. So like, yeah, this is Marvel. This was the only one that was in this yellow packaging, which I thought was interesting. But what are these? I was so shook by that. So I got those. Then I got the Frosted Mother's cookies, but this is the Halloween edition. So it's like animal crackers or whatever those were, but not. I don't even know what I'm saying. But like, look how cute they are. Yeah, it's just really fun. So I just got them for the house. And then I got my little composition notebooks, and they're actually cheaper than Dollar Tree because you get 3 to a pack for $1. They're all black, which I love. I love black. I carry my little one. If you don't know, I carry my little baby one in my purse, and it's just so cute. Here she is. Is it? Oh yeah, I thought it was like Dollar Tree, but it's actually Dollar General where I got these, this one specifically, but Dollar Tree sells the mini ones as well, but they have like different colors. But yeah, this is my little ride or die. Like I write all of my to-do things, my shopping list, so that when I'm out, I can just like flip open to this. I also carry a little pen. I did a what's in my purse video from Dollar Tree. So if you wanna see that, I'll try to find that video and I'll link it down below. But anyways, I found more of these at Dollar General. So for $1, I was like, yes, I'm getting that. Then I picked up the Nerds drink mix. I love using the boxes for junk journaling. Plus I'm into like trying these little like packets. I like them, like the ones that I've been trying, I like them, but I don't love it, if that makes sense, because I love water. I love water in its truest form, and I believe a lot of people that do this are people that just don't like water. They like flavored water. So for me, because I already like water, it's kind of like a weird concept kind of for me, but it's been fun trying them. But I've not been able to like finish a whole drink of any of like the singles I've tried, but only again because I like water plain. But you get 20 sticks in here, and you get grape and strawberry. And you can like mix them and everything. And you can even like put nerds in your drinks too, which is fun because I do that when I go to Sonic. Then I found the Kool-Aid one. Look how cute this box is. But yeah, so you just take your water bottle, you pour it in there, and then you shake it and you get the flavor. So this is the Tropical Punch, and you get 6 packets in here for the price. I'll show you guys the little packets too, by the way. So that's what that one looks like. Let me show you the Nerds one. You get pink and purple. So look how cute. This would also be great if you're doing boo baskets or whatever, and because they're individually wrapped and you're maybe doing like a bunch of boo baskets, you could just like pick up a box and split them up between baskets. I have no idea how much any of this cost. Let's see. Yeah, the composition notebooks were $1, and the Kool-Aid was $1.75, and then this was $2.95. But you get 20 packets in here, so that's probably why. All right, then I picked up this candy, the bag of candy corn fun mix. Look at that mix on the packaging. That looks really good to me. Like the pretzels, the salt all over it. I don't know, it looks really good. The only thing I'm a little weary about, and can anybody expand on this in the comments for me, but those yogurt dipped pretzels, those were a recall. Those were a major recall, right? Anything that was like yogurt dipped, I think was recalled for very serious things. So I don't know, is this not part of it? I need to look into this obviously for myself. This may not even be honestly part of that, but what is this? Palmer's candy corn. This was $2 for the bag. And then this Mother's, this was $3.50. That's honestly shocking. Shocking to me. Okay, then I found this Jell-O pistachio. Again, I got it for the box. I'll probably give the Jell-O packets to like my mom or something, but this was $1.50. So there's that. And then I picked up these cute little $1 keychains. How fun would these actually be for purse charms, because that's very trendy right now. This one says smile. This one's my favorite. And this one says dream. But these would be really cute for purse charms or for junk journaling or just for whatever. So I got those. Then I got these Wizard scented air fresheners. This is in the fresh apple scent. I can't begin to express to you how excited I am about this product. These were $1. $1. And let me tell you, if this was a Dollar Tree, I would have scooped them all up. So I got 3 of the fresh apples. They have other scents to choose from, but apples are like one of my favorite. Like I want to smell like it in my body, like in my house. Like I just love apples. And I cannot wait to give these a go. Now, this Wizard line is also at Dollar Tree, by the way. This was $1 though, not $1.25, so keep that in mind. But this Wizard line is in both Dollar General and Dollar Tree. And they also have like those big can air fresh, but it's a refill. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? It's like this big, it's like a can, but you plug it into something, but I've never found the plug for it at either Dollar Tree or Dollar General, but they sell the can refill. Can somebody please tell me where I can buy the Wizard case thingy? Because they also had that in the green apple or the fresh apples, but I didn't get it because I'm like, I don't have the contraption for this thing to fit into and to distribute it's like an automatic like air freshener thingy. So anyways, if you know the answer to where I can find that, let me know. Okay, so there's that. Then I found Poopsie Daisy. I shouldn't have said it like that. Why did my shoulders get involved? This is the pre-toilet spray. Pre-toilet? Really? I thought it was after. Anyways, this is lavender. This was $1, but I also found the Footsie Daisy. I didn't even know that was a thing. So Footsie Daisies, where you can just like spray it into your shoes. You spray and defeat funky shoe odors. Look how they spell defeat, D-E-F-E-E-T. Okay, this is eucalyptus fragrance. Somebody went to the meeting when they were creating the cover of this and they were just giggling. You get 100 uses is what it says, and this one's 100 uses as well. And this is the Wizard brand, and so is this. Yeah, these are both the Wizard brand, the same as this. But I've never seen the Footsie Daisy, and this is again eucalyptus. So there's that, and yeah, those were $1. Then I found personal care. Look at her. This is not a Dollar Tree. The brand is, but this item right here is not. This is the moisturizing vitamin E skincare lotion, and this was $1. $1.25. I just feel like I need to throw that in there. Might as well, Dollar Tree doesn't sponsor me, so that's the shade they're gonna get today from me, because I am so sick of it. Here we have personal care again. This is the Vapor Cream. I thought this would be perfect for me for gearing up for this fall and winter. I really need to reorganize my pantry, which is coming, and I need to organize a medicine like stash cabinet. That's coming next too, because I'm gonna be adding this to that. This was $1. But yeah, it's just a vapor cream. So there's that. Then I picked up this little pumpkin marshmallow chocolate. I got this for a treat for myself. This was $1.25. Yeah, it's just a treat for me for today. Then I picked up the Ace, but these are dice. It's not the playing cards. You get 5 dices in here. And how much was this? $1. That left me shook. I was like, all right, love that. I love anything like that related to junk journaling, and it's just fun to have like little charms and things. Then I found this game, Spoons. I've never seen this at Dollar General, and this was $5. Honestly, I thought this was a steal because a lot of the card games at Dollar General are $8. So for $5, you get the spoons and the cards for it. I thought that was really cool. I've never played this game. Comment, let me know, do you guys love it? I've heard so much about it. Like, you grab the spoons, right? Isn't that how this works? I don't know what the hell you do with it. Do you throw the spoons? Do you eat off? I don't know. Somebody tell me, okay? Now, these 2 items, so the last things from Dollar General before we get into Pop Shelf, I purposefully did not spray them in the store because I wanted to do a first impressions, and I have the highest of hopes, okay? So these are the, how much? $3.35 for each of them. These are a fragrance body spray. This one's vanilla, and this one is cupcake swirl. Now, right now, I'm especially seeing it, especially all over my TikToks, just anywhere and everywhere. I'm seeing everyone like talking about vanilla, wanting to smell like it. You guys know I've always vanilla's been my scent, as well as like apples, anything fruity. But vanilla, coconut, those are my 2 big scents personally. So I'm very excited to see if these smell good or if they smell cheap. I'm about to let you know. So let's start with vanilla first. First of all, I smell alcohol. Literally smell rubbing alcohol, first thing that I smell. But I am getting vanilla, so I like it. Aside from the alcohol, I went into my lungs. Okay, better be worth it. Then we've got Cupcake Swirl. This is the girl that I'm... Please smell so good. I also want to smell like gourmand. I just want to smell like a bakery, okay? Okay, it's giving that. It's giving yellow cake for sure. Not so much as much alcohol. Oh, I think I love this one. I think I love this one. It's not as good as some of the other ones that I have that I've bought from like Amazon, but I need to like just wear it. You know what I mean? I need to wear it. I need to see how long it lasts. I need to see how much I love it, kind of thing. But off of first impressions alone, I think I'm gonna empty this little girl, this little bottle. But off of first impressions alone, I think I'm gonna empty this bottle. So there's that. All right, so that is Dollar General. I'm gonna just kind of pack everything back in my bag. And I mean, what? Somebody tell me about spoons. What do you do with the spoons? I don't even know. I didn't get very much at Dollar General. It was kind of like, I was having a day. I vlogged it actually, but I was having a day and I just kind of wanted to like pop in and have a little retail therapy. And this is like what I came out with. So let me show you guys what I got. Not very much, but it's still cute nonetheless. I found the cutest face masks for $1. What? Look at the bubbling cauldron, $1. That's so cute. And then I got 3 of the mummies. I thought they were really adorable too. It's by Skip the Spa. Sheet mask, hydrating cucumber is what this one is. And then this one is a firming collagen by the same brand, Skip the Spa. Whoever they are, I've never heard of them. Then I got a pack of cards. So these at Dollar General that I was talking about usually go for $8. So getting spoons for $5 I thought was really impressive. Now at Pop Shelf, I don't know where my receipt is, but at Pop Shelf, I believe this was $6 and it's Wheel of Fortune. Love that, so super cute. All right, and then this is Christmas, but they have little glass ornaments. And you guys know I've been like collecting them for my new glass ornament tree. That's gonna go in my dining room, and look at how pretty she is. $5 for her. So gorgeous. Are you okay? Was it the vanilla or the cupcake that bothers you? Then I found the chocolate covered strawberry. That is so pretty. I absolutely love that. And they had a lot more to choose from, by the way. So if you're into like collecting glass ornaments too, they had so much. These were the only 2 that just like grabbed my attention that day. But, oh, here's my receipt. I spent a total of $19. And yeah, so $10 of that were the ornaments. The Wheel of Fortune was $6, and then the masks were $1. Actually, I got, oh, I didn't realize that the masks were on sale. Like, they ended up being 75 cents. I got 25 cents off of all my masks. That's crazy. But yeah, so that's it. And that is my haul for today from Dollar General and Pop Shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed. And that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a Dollar Tree haul, and then come back Thursday and we're going to decorate my media room. We're gonna switch out my movie posters because it's Halloween, so now the movie poster is gonna get slightly scary. And then we're changing and doing a whole like cat theme in there, which is my very first time, so I'm super excited for that. So come back and decorate with me on Thursday, tomorrow Dollar Tree again, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.